Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited because I wanted to show you what I purchased, yo. So I've always wanted to try Annie Sloan paint. Look at this. So excited.
Look, okay? First of all, this paint is expensive. It's like almost $40.
But the good thing about this is that it goes a long way. So I'm super excited about this. Then I got the wax for it. Girl, wax? Like, this piece is gonna be professionally finished, okay? I'm so excited. So she recommended that I buy the white wax for the white paint. Although I want it clear because, do my eyes look black? Do I look like a raccoon? Yes, I do. Anyway, yesterday or day before yesterday, I went to Lowe's and I purchased these. Girl, look at this. Emma's laughing back there. Every time I say girl, Emma laughs.
Why do you say girl? There's like boys watching.
I don't think boys are watching this right now. I know it's like 100% females watching this. Look at this knob, and it's heavy.
It is?
It is so heavy. So I bought 10 of these because I have 10, pulley things. I've been dying to try this paint. I tried another paint from Country Chic, and it's chalk paint as well. Actually, you know which one I use? I use it for my nightstands in my other bureau dresser. I used that paint. It came out pretty good. But in that project, I used polyurethane. And in this project, I'm going to use wax. I'm so excited. You have no idea. So I'm going to leave it here. Tomorrow, I'm going to clean this because it's nighttime and I work tomorrow. While that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and turn over my paint can. I'm gonna leave it upside down for 20 minutes. All I have to do is paint at this point. I decided to keep the drawers on because I'm not gonna paint the inside here because I'm so afraid that if I paint this, it's gonna start sticking and it's not gonna close very well. And then, maybe open it later or something. Oh shit, can I open this? Oh yeah, oof, okay. I know it seems weird, right? Painting the dresser with the drawers in it. I don't want to paint that's gonna affect the functionality, I guess, of the drawers. All right, so I've already sanded down the piece. I've distressed it, but there's a lot of dust. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all that off. So Annie Sloan says you have to wax by section just to make it easier. So it's so nice and soft because I sanded everything. I'm going to wax this and then wax that and that, like that. The lady in the store that I purchased this from, she just said just to open up the brush just like that. I have my cloth here. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. I feel like I'm taking off. Oh, okay. No, I'm doing it right. I can see the shine. It wasn't shiny before. Okay. I'm doing it right, guys. All right. So that's that. On to the next part.